And we're demonstrating here how it's loose and fractured at that joint. This is an inspection of the completed works to the third stage pinnacles. The top poppy head is held on by a ferrous dowel. It's threaded something like a 3/8, 10mm or something. And this top pinnacle section of stone is held on. The joint was put together with resin, and as we can see, we'll go in close here, has this extremely small stainless steel dowel section holding it on, and there's the resin fracture. So this shows the third stage pinnacle, and we're demonstrating here how it's loose and fractured at that joint, and we're going to lift it off now, which it comes off fairly easily, to demonstrate this failed fixing method. And the joint was put together with this resin that you can see here, which is also causing damage to the stone because it doesn't allow the stone to breathe. That we were talking about, and we were suggesting that this would need replacing because it's so badly fractured. And here is the evidence that we were talking about. Now this stone is off, we can see the condition it's in, all this material falling off it. This shows how this higher section, smaller section of conical stone wasn't linked by this metal doweling system at all, and was only connected via its own mortar joint round here, and explains why on the survey, when it was pushed like this, tested by the surveyors, this explains why the movement was there and why the thing was rocking literally independently via the fractured joint below. And this, if I take it over here, shows how it was connected to that section of poppy head. This now demonstrates this new section which has been carved, and here we're showing the method of connection. Now is a metre long section of 19mm stainless steel threaded bar, which is going to be inserted through the length of each pinnacle and pinnaclette to provide stability right through to the very base level of each pinnacle. We demonstrate now with these 10mm threaded stainless steel bars are going down through 3 holes drilled down through the courses and down into these lower sections down here, which is in 3 parts. Very heavy lower section which is completely solid, all the way up to this conical section here. Next, we're going to show the reinforcement and construction from here on in. These new sections of conical stone, topped off with a newly carved poppy head, all bored out to 25 millimeters. Existing cast iron ferrule on top. And then through all of this section and crossing over the lower reinforcement, this 3/4 UNC stainless steel threaded bar goes through these stone sections all the way into that lower section, which we showed, 3 smaller 10mm. And here we see the extent of that rod. You could finally pop that together in there. See the completed arrangement. This is an inspection of the completed works to the 3rd stage pinnacles. Here we're seeing the northeast pinnacle, which is completed, as you can see, with a new poppy head, refurbished ironwork to the top, new conical stone block sections. Moving on to the southeast pinnacle. And finally, the northwest pinnacle, reconstructed in the same way with replacement conical block sections, refurbished iron finial. This completes the work to the 3rd stage pinnacles.